Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a banana cheesecake. This is divine. Let's get started. Okay, get a food processor or a zipper bag and add 250 grams of cookies. Now you can also use any kind. I'm using vanilla wafer cookies. Like these. Now you want to crush these until they're fine crumbs. Now melt 110 grams of butter and just pour it in. Now mix it in. Now I've got a stainless spring for a pan. And I'll just run them base with some parchment paper. Just grab a cooking spray. Now add that all in here. Now just spread around evenly. Then we're going to pat it down. Now put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to help it set. Now in the steam mixer or heat mixer, put about 500 grams of softened cream cheese. Then 1¼ cups of sugar. Now just cream this until it's white and creamy. Now add 150 milliliters of whipping cream. And then mash up 2 medium-sized bananas. Put them all in there and mix it in for 1 to 2 minutes until combined. Now this part is optional, but if you want, you can add just a few drops of yellow food coloring. And mix it in. Alright, I've taken the base out of the refrigerator and now put the mixture straight in. Oh. This is gonna be delectable. Now just spread out as evenly as you can. Or you could just shake it. Now put this in the fridge to help it settle. Now I will put it in overnight for at least 4 to 6, 3 to 4 hours to completely settle. Oh, beautiful. Now let's cut a piece. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a banana cheesecake, as you can see. Oh, let's give this a taste. Oh, best cheesecake ever. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.